Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be talking about my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I can swear on them and I know they'll never fail me no matter what the occasion is. I can just grab them and just go and do it the way I want to do it. So yeah, today's look is done from one of my favorite palettes again. I'll talk about that in a while, but stay tuned. It's gonna be a talk through video, so I hope you like it. First palette that I want to talk about is by this Maybelline. It is color sensational, but before I talk about it, please know that Maybelline has discontinued this packaging and they have come up with a different packaging of the same product. So if you want to get your hands in on that one, you should. So you see, this is what you need when you want to do a simple basic smoky eyes. No color added, just classic smoky eyes, and it is amazing. So this used to be for 700 and something, but it was worth your money. So let me just show you how amazing the colors are. Okay, look. I need only these three colors to do a smoky eyes, and look, I get all of that in one chotu package. You don't have to be bulky, you don't have to carry a different bag for this. You have this, and so the very next palette is very pocket friendly, and I've seen so many YouTubers talk about it, and that's when I decided to get my hands on this one as well. So the next is this. This is from their Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. You see, you get 9 beautiful colors, and you can do almost all your Indian looks with this color. You don't need a different palette. Again, this is a very chotu compact palette. You don't need to have a very big bag to carry that. You have this, and so they have their matte shades, then they have their shiny shimmer shades. Over here you have the smoke out color if you want to. So all in all, this palette is worth investing in, and it's not at all expensive. It's very inexpensive, and you can always get this on a deal in Nykaa or in Purple, and these are very much available on Amazon as well. So whenever you feel that wherever there is a sale and you want to get your hands onto it, go and grab this palette. So let me just swatch them. This is a very affordable, inexpensive, value for money. Fallout इतना नहीं होता इस product में, so it's very good for the beginners as well. So these two were very compact and very size friendly kind of a palette when I have to talk about them. So this is the two palettes that you can definitely invest if you're a beginner, and if you want to try doing your eye makeups with. Definitely, hands down, you should use these ones. So the third palette of this video is again by Maybelline, the nudes. Look at this. This is what you need to do your entire face with. आप इससे पूरा का पूरा face कर सकते हो. So I remember watching Nidhi's video where she did the entire face look using just this palette. And I'll tell you what, you get your contour shades, you get your highlighters, you get your eyeshadows, you get everything in one palette. So I know ये उन दोनों पैलेट से थोड़ा सा साइज में बड़ा है, बट अगर आपका सारा का सारा फेस एक पैलेट में हो रहा है तो क्या बुरा है. Just carry this one and you are sorted. देखो कितना कुछ ऑफर कर रहा है ये. You can do your eyebrows. I do my eyebrows with this color, and to highlight you can use this color and this color. So you have two. This is a golden highlighter, this is a little shiny silver highlighter, and then to the entire makeup look you can even bronze. Yes guys, you can bronze with this color if you want to. You can add contour, you can add the bronzer, you can add everything and do everything with this very palette. So the next palette for this video is this by Makeup Revolution, their loaded velvet rose palette. I don't know if you have not seen or heard about this palette. I don't know what is wrong. with you right now, you should, I mean, go ahead, not just my word, go ahead, search the, YouTube, and you'll see so many things happening. I mean, this palette is so versatile and so much to offer. If you are a newly married, this palette will not fail you. I got this, last year, if I'm not wrong, last year November or December, I got this palette after seeing a YouTube video, and trust me, from then till now, this palette has not failed me. It has amazing color payout, चौकी नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, तो उस बात का टेंशन नहीं है कि कहीं फॉल आउट ज़्यादा तो नहीं होता, ये नहीं वो नहीं. इट्स अ वेरी डिसेंट एंड अ वेरी वेरी वर्स. सो यहाँ पर आपके पास ना 3 गोल्डन के वेरिएशंस हैं. सो वन इज दिस चंकी वन, ठीक है, थोड़ा स्मूथ और उससे स्मूथ. So you have 3 different golden shade in one palette. So you know what I'm talking about. So this is one thing that you should definitely invest on if you can, and if you like, Makeup Revolution products. I love them, and I always order them from HOK Makeup. They have really amazing offers and deals happening. So whenever you feel like that there is no offer at Myntra, there's no offer at, anywhere, that Nykaa, Purple, anywhere, go check HOK Makeup. You will definitely find these palette, and they do, they come in a offer. Like I got these 3 for somewhere around 1700-1800 or something. So, and they are original Makeup Revolution. They are not dupes or anything. I'll not talk about those 2 palettes because today I'm talking about only my favorite palettes that I love to have. So get your hands on this one. Trust me, this palette will not fail you. You will fall in love as soon as you try doing your makeup with this. And if you want to see a makeup look using my favorite palettes, do comment below. I'll definitely do that for you. So the next palette is this. This is their astrological palette, yes. And again, I got this from HOK Makeup only. ऐसा बहुत सारे कलर्स जो आपने देख रहे हो ना, ऐसे डबल टोन के साथ आपको हुडा ब्यूटी में मिलते हैं. सो यू हैव योर बेसिक मैट्स ओवर हेयर. ट्रांजिशन कलर्स हैं यहाँ पर आपके पास, सब कुछ है. उसके बाद यहाँ पर आपके पास सारे के सारे शाइनी कलर्स हैं. मैं ना स्वॉच करके दिखाती हूँ, ऐसे नहीं पता चलेगा बिकॉज ओ माय गॉड, लाइक दिस कलर इज माय फेवरेट कलर. Look at that. And now I'll show you this color. इसके सारे के सारे कलर्स जो हैं, इस पैलेट के सारे कलर्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं फॉर योर फेस्टिव लुक. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग आउट, यू वांट टू डू समथिंग अबाउट इट, दैट्स जस्ट आई नो. ये थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है. ये सिर्फ एक पैलेट मेरे ख्याल से 14 या 1500 का आता है. एंड इस पर कोई ऑफर नहीं था. जब मैंने लिया था तो इस पर कोई ऑफर नहीं था. तो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस, डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट. सो द लास्ट एंड द मोस्ट bulkiest palette of all is by this Makeup Revolution. So there's a story behind this palette. So I saw this on HOK Makeup, and I was like, I don't want it. Why do I need so many colors to do with it? And then for the entire week I had nightmares of not owning this palette. I mean, if you love makeup, this palette has all the matte colors. थोड़ा सा फॉल आउट है इसमें, अनलाइक अदर मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन प्रोडक्ट, इसका थोड़ा फॉल आउट है, पर कलर्स अगर आप देखो ना तो ये बहुत कुछ ऑफर कर रहा है. एंड ये मेरे ख्याल से दिस पैलेट इज फॉर 2500. आपको ऑफर में हमेशा मिलता रहेगा, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. बट इफ यू सी द कलर्स एंड द वेराइटी इट ऑफर्स, आई मीन इफ यू हैव दिस पैलेट एंड दिस Chotu palette, you can do anything. You can absolutely do anything with these 2 palette. You don't need anything else. और इसके कलर्स भी बहुत अमेजिंग है. मैं सारे कलर स्वॉच तो नहीं कर सकती, बट इफ यू सी देम, they are amazing. You can definitely, if you want to invest in it, definitely go ahead and do it. I love all of my palettes, especially the one that I've shown it to you. I love and I swear by, and trust me, if you use any one of them, you will have the same view that I have. So Definitely, if you love colors, if you love Makeup Revolution, trust me. And अगर आपने कभी भी Makeup Revolution का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट यूज करा है ना, you will know it what I'm talking. तो आज का जो मैंने ये वाला लुक करा है ग्रीन स्मोक आउट, वो मैंने इस पैलेट के साथ और इस पैलेट के साथ करा. That's all. बस ये दो चीज. तो you can see that you can do your Indians, you can do your Westerns, you can do everything with these two palettes. बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए रहता तुमको, बस ये दो पैलेट और कुछ भी. बिकॉज इसमें कलर वेरिएशंस बहुत हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत सिर्फ और सिर्फ पिंक्स मिल रहे हैं या ब्लूज मिल रहे हैं या येलोज मिल रहे हैं या रेड्स मिल रहे हैं. इसमें सारे कलर्स मिल रहे हैं. सो डेफिनेटली ट्राई योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस वन. इफ यू लाइक, do let me know, and if you don't like any of my recommendation, let me know why, so that I also know what not to try and what to try, and just let me know. So guys, that's about it for today's video. Let me know how you like it. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and share and follow. I love you all, and bye bye.